In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a declined credit card on Target. Let's get started. If your card is declined, first make sure you have entered your card number, expiration date, CVV, security code, and billing address correctly. Even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. To check that, launch your Target app, make sure you have logged in, navigate to the cards page, click on checkout. Now from here you can check your payment details. If a payment still is not going through, contact your bank or card issuer to make sure that there are no fraud alerts, spending limits, or restrictions blocking the transaction. They can also confirm whether the payment was declined on their end. You should also verify that your card has not expired and is enabled for online purchases. If you're using a saved payment method in your Target account, try removing it and adding the card again. Another option is to try a different payment method such as another credit or debit card, Target gift card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or another payment option available at checkout. If you are still unable to complete your purchase, sign out of your Target account, sign back in, or try placing the order from a different browser or the Target app. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies before trying again. If these solutions didn't work out for you, you can contact Target customer support with the error message you are seeing. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.